Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Mitri and we're at the Royal Park South project by Metrical Developments. So this project consists of 45 townhouses G+1. Now the 45 townhouses is divided into 3 different plots. Plot number 1 consists of 10 villas, plot number 2 consists of 26 villas, plot number 3 consists of 9 villas. So let's go take a look at plot number 1. Plot number 1 consists of 3 different blocks. Block A, Block B, Block C. Block C is where the show home is at. As for the construction, the substructure work is complete, which is everything below the ground. That consists of the footing, the neck column, the tie beam. All this is done for the villa and for the boundary wall. As for the superstructure, we finished the ground floor column, we finished the staircase, we finished the first floor slab, the first floor column, and right now they're working on the roof slab. So I'm here at Block B. Block B, the substructure is all complete. The ground floor column is complete. The staircase they're working on right now, also with the first floor slab. So I'm here at Block C. Block C, they're working on the second stage backfilling, which is to the ground level. Then they have the MEP drainage work, then they have the gate on slab. Then the superstructure as followed. This is the construction update so far. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.